So you want to go out fall driving, but on a budget. These are the things that you will need to go fall driving like I do in the Budget Hilux. Let's get into it. So if you haven't been following along with the budget build on this Hilux, then you probably wouldn't know that I've been at fall driving with it with the bare minimum stuff. And literally have been at fall driving through smallish bog holes without a snorkel. It wasn't that deep. All I had really was the essential items that you need, and I'm going to get into that right now. But if you haven't already and you are new, hit the like button, hit the notification bell and subscribe because it really helps me out. And you go watch the build series on this because it's almost finished and I sort of need to get some more cars. So first of all, I'm going to say buy one of these tire deflators right here. They're like 20 bucks or something from Super Cheap Auto. You can probably get a $30 one or whatever. It doesn't really matter as long as it lets the air down. And it lets it down pretty fast as well, because sometimes it's annoying when you're sitting there waiting around. But you need that obviously because you need to let your tires down to whatever pressure you're going to run, so when you're forward driving your tires can, you know, grip properly and not slide around on rocks and do all that stuff. And then obviously you have let your tires down, right? So you need to get yourself a air compressor that plugs into your 12 volt or connects to your battery with the pliers that you get with it, the positive and negative. I don't even have one of those yet. I am supposed to have bought one, but I haven't been out full driving in a long time. So I just stole Adam Reed's one, or I stole Jim's one. Doesn't really matter, as long as someone there has a air compressor to pump up your tires. Or if you are out there and you know where there's a full service station really close by to the tracks, you can always go there and use their things. It's pretty simple and they blow up tires pretty quick. Alright, so I'm going to say the next thing on the list is to have a set of tools like this. This is a King Chrome one. It has everything pretty much in it. It's only missing like a 14 and a 17, but you can buy them pretty cheap, 17 right there. The reason I say that is because it's super easy to break things. You might not even be doing a hard track and you can still break something. Obviously if you take it really careful you won't, but sometimes it does happen. You might break a CV, something might break, you never know. So you can actually pick these up from Super Cheap Auto, Autobarn, wherever really, Total Tools. Just get an off-brand one. You don't have to get a King Chrome one or like a Snap-on or something. All you need to do is fix your shit when it breaks. Now, I'm not even going to mention a winch in this video besides right now, because I haven't had a winch on the car until now, haven't needed it once. And obviously if you aren't doing massive bog holes or you're not going down to Talangi and doing friggin' cockpit or massive sends, you don't need it. I'll put a clip in here of me doing some good tracks without it, no locker, anything. So this is obviously a budget one. This is like a $700 winch. It's gonna be in the next video. And speaking of the next video, my sliders just rocked up. They are DIY. That's gonna be a freaking sick video. So if you wanna see that, hit the subscribe button and stick around. So the next thing on the list is these Vic off-road sliders. They work super freaking well. Obviously there's other brands out there, but they definitely come in hand a lot. You just have them sitting in the back of the tray or strapped to your roof, and if you don't have a locker really, you can get through things that your friends with lockers have. So this is really easy to get you through things, put them in the right spot. And that sort of brings me into another thing. Always go out with your friends, because if you don't have a friend there, you don't have someone spotting you at the front of your car directing you. I always have Jim or Adam or whatever in the front of my car directing me, and then obviously someone filming. I highly recommend going with friends as well. It's just so much safer. You break down, they can go get parts for you. They're going to help you get through the spots, and it's going to be so much better. Also, I think Vic Off-Road is having a sale on these. They were like 400 bucks or something, or 300, and now they're down to like 100 or something, so go snap that up real quick. I would also recommend getting some mud tires or all-terrains. Please do not go out in some road tires. You just won't get anywhere. You'll puncture them, you'll get stuck. And then you'll be calling a rescue truck or someone else to get you out. So these were pretty budget friendly, I think, for all four, and mounted was like 900 bucks, which is like insane. They're an Achilles Desert Hawk tire, and I got them mounted at Brownie's Late Night Tires. Absolute legend. He comes to you as well, or you can go to him and he'll do it on the weekend. late at night, whenever. I also highly recommend getting a fire extinguisher. Fires don't happen that often, but when they do, that shit can get out of control. My fire extinguisher at the moment is in my drift car, but you can get brackets that mount right here and onto the other one, and it mounts it super easy. You don't have to drill into your car at all. And you can get them online or at Discover 4x4, I believe. They have some stock there, just call them up or whatever. You can get them really cheap. Fire extinguishers are like 30 bucks as well. Just do it. I have merch coming to the channel, guys. I'm gonna have some beanies because Melbourne is freaking freezing at the moment. So if you do want that, please DM me, and I'm gonna be doing a small pre-order on those. They're gonna be 30, 40 bucks. I'm not sure yet. I'm just doing some final pricing. So if you do want to support the channel and the build to get more mods for this thing, please do that. I also want stickers to get made, and if you want to become a member, the member link's down below. I will be holding another full drive meet / car meet in the future. I'm just waiting for Melbourne's small lockdown thing to end. So at the moment I think it's a 25k radius. So I want everyone to be able to come that wants to come. So I'm just going to wait for that to finish, and then I'll announce the details then in a future video. And if you are new to the channel, the car is wrapped. I've got a bull bar, winch, snorkel from Kraken Fabrications, engineering even. I am going to be doing a new tray on the back now. I did have it tub chopped, but I'm getting rid of that. And I'm going to do an awesome setup there. And I do have the seat in there removed because I was going to do some drawers, but I'm not sure what I'm doing with that yet. I know this was a super quick video, guys, but this is going to be the end of it. Thank you so much for watching. There's more mods coming to this in Sunday's video or next Wednesday's video. Live streams are coming back. I also have a game channel, Mez Plays, linked down below. So if you want to see me play games and have fun, please do that. And I also have a Discord that you can join and share your cars and all your rigs and whatnot. I'm also going to be doing a business series on the channel, and maybe a garage if I can get a garage, where I build up my business and start wrapping people's cars and seeing if I can get that to be an empire. And I'm going to be like the eye candy Wish version, except eye candy is going to be the Wish version, and I'm going to be 100 times better than eye candy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.